Hi guys, finally we reached the reverse function. This is our last function from the AutoCAD list functions. So what is a reverse function? It returns a copy of a list with its elements reversed. So as the word itself reverse, it's just reverse the items in the list. Let's have an example here. We have a list of ABC. So by definition, it's just reverse it from ABC to CBA. There you go. Same thing, if we apply that one in the definition data of a line, let's say we use the ent get of ent last and store it in the variable a. This is our data definition. And if we reverse that, let's say set QB, reverse A. There you go. So now our 210 is the first item in the list, and the entity name is the last item in the list. It just reverses the order. This is very useful in same thing in manipulating the polyline object with its vertices. If you want to reverse the direction of the polyline, you have to use the reverse function. Alright, so this is the reverse. Now this is the first element. The second is 11, the 10, the 100, the 8, the layer, the 410, the model space, 67, 100, handle. There you go. That's about it. So I'll see you in the next section.